Welcome back to another video, cooking with TZ and the C. So in this video we'll show you how to make stewed pork. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share and subscribe. Stick around. Okay, so to start this delicious stewed pork recipe, we have here 2.5 pounds of pork, which was already seasoned and have been marinating for about a week. Look at it, guys. Well seasoned right down to the bone. So when you cook on a stewed pork, well seasoned, you can suck off every meat off of the bone, suck out the juice. Guys, everything are gonna be very juicy and delicious. So you can go ahead and prep your pork. So the seasoning that we use, the blended season that we use to prepare this pork are the scallion, thyme, onions, sweet pepper, you have garlic, and another regular season. Can leave the pimento and also pimento seed, and you can also go ahead and add the other seasoning of your choice such as parsley and so forth. And then you go ahead and you can also marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes if you want to cook right away. Or you can also season the pork and put in your refrigerator for when you would like to use it. So seeing that the pork was already bulk seasoned, we're just going to cut it into smaller pieces. Alright, so look at this, guys. You can see the seasoning, the green season, the thyme, the scallion. Look at the nice piece of pork. All the pork experts, comment down below if this is a soft piece of pork. You know, sometimes when you go to the meat shop and you buy a piece of pork and you come home and you cook the pork and you pressure from now till the morning and the pork still tough. Guys, this isn't the one. This is a very soft pork. It doesn't require a lot of time to cook. Alright, guys, so you know, see, if you a job like this, you know already we draw for the dutchy pot, because the dutchy pot alone can do them work here. When we have mash them work here, the dutchy pot we draw for. So we have a dutchy pot here and we have some vegetable oil, and we're going to pour as much oil in there to fry the pork, right? So depending on the amount of pork you're cooking, you add the oil based on the amount of pork that you are cooking. And we're just testing the waters, just testing to ensure that the oil is hot. Once the oil is hot, we're going to place the pork into the hot oil until they are medium brown or golden brown. So you're gonna place these into the frying pan. Alright guys, look at our delicious pork. Look at it guys, very seasoned right down to the bone, well marinated. These bone, you just chew on them. You don't need nothing more than just to chew on your bones. Guys, these bone, well marinated. Right? So we're just turning them because they are now getting golden brown. Right? So we're turning them on opposite sides. You know, you have some bad pork experts. Some people, boy, they love down to the rope we use and tie the pork. You have some people who just love the skin of the pork. Some people, them just want you pack up them plate with all just the skin of the pork. Some people, they love the meaty part of the pork. Guys, the rope, you know, the rope, guys, they don't play with their pork. And this one is a very soft piece of pork. Look at that skin, guys. Comment down below and tell me what part of the pork you enjoy. If you enjoy the skin or you enjoy the meaty part of the pork or you love the bone. Comment down below and tell me which part you like. So we're just going to leave the pork into the frying pan until they are cooked on opposite sides. And then we're going to prepare the vegetables to stew the pork. Alright, so to stew the pork, guys, these are our vegetables that we're using. Sweet peppers, carrot, Irish potato. You know, the Irish potato act as a thickening aid. So once the Irish potato is cooked, it start breaking off and add to the sauce of the stewed pork in order to add as a thickening aid, so you can get your gravy thick. You don't want a runny gravy, no water gravy, so you get that thickness in your gravy. So we're just dicing the vegetables to put into our stewed pork. Okay, so with the vegetables, you can dice your vegetables based on your liking, based on your preference. But this is how we're dicing them or cutting them today. Look at it. Very colorful. But you can always go ahead and add the vegetable of your choice to add into your stewed pork. So on a Sunday, you can prepare some stewed pork. If you're having any family get together, if you have Thanksgiving, you can go ahead and prepare yourself a nice, delicious and mouth-watering pot of stewed pork. And you know, say for the pork expert them already, we love down to the rope we tie the pig. Them know that go. When you love pork, you just love pork. Comment down below and tell me if you love the skin of your pork. I wanna love the skin, you know? Most I wanna love the skin of the pork. Comment down below. Alright, so we're just going to slow cook the pork, right? So you're going to transfer them into the pan of your choice and slow cook the pork. Next, you're going to add the vegetables. So the vegetables that we just chopped, we just add them into the pot and then we're going to stir. We're going to leave the pork there to simmer and to slow cook. So you can always add water. It's best to add warm water. It softens the pork easily, right? And the pork is already soft, so it doesn't require a lot of cooking, right? So just I'm gonna leave the pork there to go and do it thing, simmer down, cook, slow cook. Yes, look at it, guys, very soft, but we're going to leave it there to cook. Alright, so next we're going to work on the sauce. So what we're going to do here is add some ketchup to the pot. So we're going to pour the ketchup into the pot. So you know, ketchup, tomato, or also Irish potato as we're using here, act as a thickening aid to get your gravy more thicker and more richer, right? So when you add the ketchup to the pot, it is going to enhance the thickness of the gravy or the sauce. So that is what we're doing now. We're going to add the ketchup to get the gravy or the sauce thick. So you can add the ketchup based on your liking. If you're a person that loves a lot of ketchup, guys, we're not expecting you to overdo it. Don't overdo it. You don't add a lot of ketchup now, right? But you had just a small portion, right? About a quarter cup, or yes, a quarter cup of ketchup, or 2 tablespoons, right? And then we're going to leave it there to simmer down. Okay, so after simmering down the pork on medium to high flame, this is how it is looking. You can realize the rim around the pot that the content in it has reduced. Alright, look at the gravy, very thick and rich. So we're now ready to serve. And here we have it, our stewed pork, Jamaican style. Look at our carrots, Irish potatoes. I do hope you enjoy this video. Look at the pork, look at the skin, guys. Look at the sauce. You have enough sauce for your side meal, whether it be rice and peas, white rice, some ground provision like yam and banana, and your dumpling. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.